Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. In front of me is Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you how to change and how to manage color space on this device. First, need to open the main menu. Then here on the first block and on the second page of this first block, you will see color space option. Click on it. Inside we have sRGB and Adobe RGB. So sRGB, this color space, is standard for most devices, including monitors, printers, and the internet. It's the best choice for general use and ensures your images will look consistent across different screens and devices. But sRGB has a wider range of colors, which is useful for professional photography and printing, for example. Where more color detail is needed, so you can convert Adobe RGB to SMYK to printing, for example, and it just be clearer and better. Okay. But not all devices can display the full range of Adobe RGB colors. You need to know about it. So, for example, if you have Mac device, you need to switch Mac color space to sRGB 2 if you wanna see full range of Adobe sRGB image. So I will use sRGB mode. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.